Fixing pitch marks, removing weeds, extracting soil samples, closing up cup holes, leveling greens. The Pebble Tool, an exclusive Golfkontor product. Made in Europe, this greenkeeping tool is a high-quality, practical companion perfect for tournament use. It's extremely versatile and easy to use. All kinds of green maintenance works can be carried out in just a few steps. Pitch marks and other turf damage can easily be treated and repaired with the pebble tool pin. The tool's simple and uncomplicated design also makes it perfect for the use at tournaments. Thanks to its compact size, the pebble tool can be stored and carried in a high-quality nylon belt pouch, always at hand and ready for use. The opposite end of the pebble tool removes weeds and roots and extracts soil probes to test turf quality if required. The remaining hole in the soil is closed up again using the pin, leaving the green level with the tool's wooden shaft. When changing cup hole locations, the pebble tool can also be used to loosen turf and level out the green. The Pebble Tool from Golfkontor, specially developed for greens maintenance and professional tournament use. Golfkontor, all you need. We would like to thank GSV Golfsportverein Düsseldorf for helping us to produce this film.